Oh man, here we go. Alright. Let's go.
Start it. I still don't know how to play though.
Yeah, me either. I had to look down at the keyboards to freaking know what I'm doing.
Oh. Wait,
Oh.
Oh, you're a creature, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. This is gonna be hard.
Bro, how do you run? I'm a zombie, right? What's that? Summon. I'm good. I don't know what that is. Get it on. Where are you?
Oh! Did you hear
Oh, I see you.
that? Did you?
Well, I saw your little. I think I saw a shadow or something. I don't know. I don't know what to call it.
Scared me. I heard something.
Oh no! The light.
Fuck.
The light. Who are you, man? Alright.
I'm so scared.
Can you hear me?
No.
Fuck are you? Get your ass over here. Where are you at?
Dion, don't scare me.
What the fuck?
Toby.
Is that a heartbeat? Alright, press R again. No! And this compass only stays for 2 seconds and leaves. It's not enough information to know where you at.
Good. Dion, are you here?
I have no idea where I'm at. Oh! No! I'm slowing down! Come here, Leon! Come here! Oh, you son of a bitch!
That scared the shit out of me. Let's just get the fuck out of me.
Look how long it took me to find you.
Dude, I was so scared. Man. I didn't know where to go, dude. I was fucking scared. I thought you were behind me every single time. And then I couldn't find the second tape.
Wow, I just went in circles. Wait,
How did you go over there?
How did I teleport? Oh, I use a thing. Oh, so that's what it does.
Oh, dude.
Oh, it makes me closer to you. Okay.
I was like, I was there for a while because like, where the fuck is the tape at?
What the fuck was that? That man scared me.
Well, then that's when you ran into me. She scared me. 19.
Fucking boy, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna be a creature this time, alright? So,
Alright.
you put investigator.
Investigator. Oh, okay. Put me a black dude. Alright, I'm a black dude. Oh, you just way back there. That mess looks so creepy. Alright.
Start it.
I'm gonna try a different. I'm gonna try a different map now.
Alright, cool.
Oh, this one looks pretty cool. Oh no, never mind. I screw it, I'm gonna put the hospital.
No, the other one.
Oh, how do I stop? Oh, fuck.
Oh, too late, fuck.
Oh, shit. Alright. If I hear a sound, I'm fucking running the other way. We're black, that's what we do. Oh, shit. Fucking geez. Turn my freaking fella. Oh my god. That what happen? This is what happens when you turn your flashlight off. You see. Oh Oh, what the fuck was that? Yo, Leon, this is scary.
What's that noise? Oh, sir.
Oh, it's a tape right here. Where?
Where are you, Dion?
Fuck you.
Where are you, Dion?
Fuck you. It says I'm here, right? The tape's at? What the fuck is the tape? What the hell? Bro! Oh my god, man, that keeps scaring me.
What?
Bro, where's the freaking... It says it's like I'm like right here, right?
If it's like you're running into the wall, it's not. You have to stick around it.
Okay.
Where are you?
I'm not telling you.
Why not?
I gotta make sure I press Q, cause this shit gonna be fucking...
Dion, where are you?
Oh my fucking god, I hear shit. Oh!
Where are you?
You see how fucking stupid you think I'm finna go down there?
Oh. Oh.
Don't be a
Dion.
bitch. Run! Go! Oh, there's something! Hold up! Oh my god!
Did it scare you?
I ain't fucking play this game no more. No, fuck this. Oh,
Did it scare you, Dion?
oh yes! Oh shit! I
Oh, I
jumped!
was near you.
Oh, you teleported to me, you fucker! Oh my god, dude! I screamed like a little bitch. What the creature is near the tape over here. Where? What? I couldn't even find the tape.
Dion,
Yeah.
that shit is funny.
That was not funny, that was scary.
Look how far I was, bro.
Fuck this
I wanna see where I
game.
got you. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh.
That's why I got scared, bro. I was running and then you caught me.
Oh, I thought you were gonna
Fuck
get
that.
away.
No, heck no, we're both being, fucking whatever it's called, investigators now. Let's go.
You think that's enough?
I mean,
Or one more? How many more are we gonna play?
oh, one more. Come on, be investigator with me this time. Investigator, one more.
Both investigators?
Yeah. Alright. Are you ready? Fucking A, man. I'm gonna scared the shit out of me.
Dude, we're gonna die instantly.
It's a way to fight the monster off you, I think. Isn't it?
Where you at, Dion? Oh, there you are.
You see me? Where are you?
Fine.
Oh,
Right here.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Is that a tape already? No, never mind. Well, yes it is. That's the battery.
Alright,
Cool.
let's go. Kobe! Go.
Oh! Run out of the way! Run!
Dion, flash.
I can't fucking run. Q. Oh, Leon, where'd you go? Why can't press Q?
Fucking scared, fucking. Are you fucking kidding me? Kobe.
Leon, is that you? Oh yeah, it is you. Okay.
It's
me. Right. Okay. Where's my flashlight? Okay, good. Okay. You lost it?
Follow me. It's over here. Kobe.
This sounds funny. Oh hell no.
Dude, I'm scared. He's over there.
Kobe, bitch.
Turn off your flashlight, Dion. This should attract some.
I can't. Alright, man. Sorry, I don't know what I'm pressing.
Alright.
You know how to run, right?
Alright. Yeah. Follow me.
Alright. I hear that bitch. Oh, never mind.
Kobe.
Oh! Where is it? No! Fuck off! No, it's okay. How long get off me? No, fuck off me!
You're dead, nigga, you dead!
Fuck! Fuck you, bitch! Nah, Tim, where you at? I'm a ghost now.
Oh, cool.
Well, can you see me? Oh, yeah, you can. Alright.
What do we do? I'm scared.
Follow me. I can tell where he's at and where he be at and stuff. I think, I don't know. I just know I'm a ghost and he can't get me.
Wait, hold up. The tape's right here.
It is? Wait, can I see the tape too? How you put the tape up? R1, right? R?
You're fucking kidding me. I'm so fucking dead. I quit. I'm scared.
Where are you?
I'm scared.
Oh, you're right there, okay.
Yep.
Fuck this game, man. It's just too hard.
Fuck this game. Oh crap, dude, that shit was scary.
Bro, when he got me, I heard something. I was like, wait, is this nigga behind me? And then I was turn around and then he got me, man. Fuck. Oh, shit. Look, I was trying to, when he got me, I was trying to figure a way to, like, get him off me. Look, you can see when I was typing, I was trying to press anything. I was like, come on, bro, what's the press? I put UWYFW234. What the fuck?
I think that was enough, dude.
Fuck you, bitch. You left me when I died. When he got me.
No kidding, I was like that. I was like, what the fuck?
What? Look, you was like, fuck this, you. Like, fuck you, you're dead.
Alright, I'm gonna look at it, okay?
Alright. Oh, shit. Woo! Oh, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe and leave a like. Go subscribe to my friend, Verssacing. No, Verssacing. There you go. And, yeah. Peace out. I'm out. Never play this fucking game again.